Alright. Hey guys! Welcome to the Viking Tigers. Today's videos, you will be what happened again. And Bissell, Powerful, Bagless, 6583, Viking Queen. What will you do? Let's go start it. Alright, there he is, the Bissell, Powerful, Bagless, 6583. Yes. Absolutely over here. Really easy. Now that's scratch nail at this moment. It's a white filters in there, and you look white. Half. It's like it. It was see them? Let's see him the cup. Only half and then now it's empty it up. Yeah, it was this guy. And now you can say Bagless, while white on Bluetooth, easy empty dog container washable filters. That you have the code now is in. And now it's over the way. Maybe it's not happen again, and now that happened, pull them out, and that's enough. It is seen them, and now in the scratch me enough. This and then now it up and out there. That's the easy and empties. And question 2 is the question 1 already. There it goes. After the kills and enough. That's the question 1 and it happened and then I push it. Wow. I put the one back in. And the hose back in. And that happened. That's in it when again it goes so happening in it. Okay. A quick easy with stuff. That's gonna happen and it gets that's too bad. And it was easy. And now it's not very good. That's very good. How are your numbers? Because now it's happen and have for 24 60 Hz 10 amps. Now power switch. Now we're in the brush. It's in out with the quicken and now it's in the roll brushes. I started to the Vikings and then now it's in the happen. And so there it goes. what? And get the Bissell guide. And now it's done. Bissell powerful Bagless. Yeah, it's 65 energy. I watch the video and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.